Hi guys, thank you for joining me for another video and welcome if you're new. Before we jump into the video, please click the red subscribe button below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and please leave me a comment. Also, I will be uploading new videos every Friday and Sunday, so click the notification bell beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos. Now today we're going to tackle under the sinks because as you can see, this is my side and it was a disaster. I couldn't find anything. Stuff was just crammed in there and piled on top of other stuff. It was terrible. So I'm just taking everything out, getting it nice and clean so I can get it organized. Right now I'm putting the cotton balls that were in the bag into a jar. It's hard to see it on camera, but it's a really pretty iridescent jar and it's just going to make it a lot easier for me to access them, and then just the extras will go in the linen closet. And there were a lot of things under the sink that actually needed to be in the linen closet that I don't reach for all the time. So that was the plan for today, to get the space clean, to get it organized, and to only have things under there that I actually need access to on a daily basis. The plastic bins that I am using today, I just put one on my side, on the right hand side here that you see. Those came from Target. On the left hand side, those drawers came from Amazon. They are linked below. I love them. They were so easy to put together. I love that you can use the vertical storage and that they slide out. I bought one for my side. My husband's side didn't really need it. I just put two more of those bins from Target over there, and then later on you'll see that I use the other one in the guest bathroom. As always, when I'm organizing, it takes me a while to play around with things and figure out where I want everything to be, but I got it worked out. I'm extremely happy with it. It just feels so much more decluttered, and I feel like I have access to the things that I need, and the other things are put away. So in just a minute, I'll give you an overview of the finished product. And now moving on to the hubby side. Again, his wasn't too bad. I actually just didn't like that big brown basket in there, so I wanted to use the two other bins that I got from Target just to make it a little more aesthetically pleasing. His area also needed to be wiped down for sure, so I'm taking everything out, wiping it down, and then in just a minute you'll see that I just basically put everything back kind of how it was. It took me a minute to get the positioning right, but I just think it looks a little bit nicer and neater. We're now in the guest bathroom. It also wasn't too bad. I just wasn't making very good use of the space. As you can see, I've got a whole lot of extra toilet paper and paper towels. We also have a linen closet at this end of the house, so there was no reason for me to have that much underneath the sink. So I just wanted to make space for those in the linen closet, clean under the sink in here as well, and then just make it look a little bit neater and just put a few things that guests might need. I do want to do a little bit more to it later when we actually will be able to have guests again, but for right now, this definitely got the job done. I think this is so much better. I was able to leave just a few rolls of paper towels and toilet paper just because I did want to have some in the bathroom, but I didn't need all that I had. I've got a few Clorox wipes and then again just some toiletry type things that our guests might want to use while they're here. So for now, this will definitely do the job. I think it looks so much better. I'm going to finish wiping everything down and we'll be good to go. Thank you guys again so much for watching my video. I always appreciate you spending your time with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, click the red subscribe button below, turn on your notifications, and leave me a comment. You guys, please take care of yourselves and your families. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.